Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today's lecture from the chapter number 9 transport, and the topic is the human heart. Human heart, that is a muscular organ, and it is responsible for pumping blood through blood vessels by repeated contractions. And for the heart we may use the term cardiac. So cardiac means related to heart. And now the heart is made up of some walls. Its chambers are made up of walls, and the walls of the heart are known as cardiac muscles. Next is the location of the heart. Location of heart is that it is present in middle of the chest cavity under breastbone and between the lungs. As in the diagram, heart is present between the lungs. Next is the pericardium. Now the heart is enclosed in a sac-like structure that is known as pericardium, and inside the pericardium there is a fluid that is known as pericardial fluid. So this fluid helps to reduce the friction between the pericardium and the heart during heart contractions. This is a diagram where you can see blue in color pericardial fluid, and inside the pericardial fluid there is a heart. Next is the structure of heart. Structure of heart is that heart consists of four main chambers: upper two atria and lower two ventricles. Upper two atria are right and left, and lower two ventricles are left and right ventricles. And the left ventricle is the largest and the strongest chamber in the heart. Now the function of the heart is that it acts as a double pump because it receives deoxygenated and oxygenated blood at the same time. Deoxygenated blood means the blood with less oxygen, and oxygenated blood means the blood with more oxygen. So it receives deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs. बॉडी से जो आता है वो deoxygenated blood होता है और lungs की तरफ जाता है ताकि वहाँ से वो ऑक्सीजन कैरी करे, जबकि जो ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड है वो मूव करता है लंग्स से बॉडी की तरफ. Next is the function of heart. The deoxygenated blood from the body is moved to the right atrium through superior vena cava. Right atrium contract, tricuspid valve open, and blood moves into right ventricle. Now the right ventricle contract and pulmonary semilunar valve will open and moves into through the pulmonary artery into the lungs where it carries the oxygen. Now the oxygenated blood from the lungs move through the pulmonary vein into the left atrium. Now left atrium will contract, bicuspid valve will open, and blood moves into the left ventricle. Now left ventricle contract and the aortic semilunar valve will open and the blood moves into aorta. Now from this aorta the oxygenated blood is supplied to the whole body parts. So this is the functioning of heart. Today's diaries learn the topic human heart from page number 192 to 193. Thank you.